In R versus Commissioner for His Majesty's Revenue and Customs, Fordham J considered at a permission hearing in the Administrative Court whether the prospect of recovering costs already incurred in judicial review proceedings could justify granting permission on grounds that had otherwise become academic by reason of an adequate alternative remedy. The claimant had challenged a series of Section 28B 4A notices under the Taxes Management Act 1970, arising from film partnership schemes, on grounds including the removal of loan interest tax relief. Following the issue of appealable Section 28A notices by HMRC on the 16th of January 2025, the claimant lodged a First-tier Tribunal appeal and conceded in his skeleton argument that an effective alternative remedy existed. He nonetheless argued that permission was necessary to enable recovery of costs incurred in the judicial review proceedings, suggesting the court should resolve the substantive merits of the loan interest grounds for that purpose alone. Fordham J rejected this submission, holding that permission for judicial review is not a prerequisite for pursuing a costs order where a claim has been overtaken by events. The applicable mechanism, derived from M versus Croydon and addressed at paragraph 25.5.3 of the Administrative Court Judicial Review Guide 2025, had not been utilised by the claimant. Permission on all loan interest tax relief grounds was refused, and all costs questions were expressly reserved. Quote, "I have been unpersuaded by the costs points. The Judicial Review Court will generally not grant permission for judicial review where a claim has become academic, as is explained in the Judicial Review Guide. It is not correct that permission for judicial review is needed to raise a question about costs. Costs can be sought in judicial review proceedings where a case is overtaken by events, applying the line of authorities from M versus Croydon as set out in the Judicial Review Guide. If the claimant considered there was a clear-cut basis for inviting a costs order in relation to costs incurred in these judicial review proceedings, there was a mechanism open to him which he did not use, as described in the Judicial Review Guide.
For a detailed summary of this decision, visit tmclegal.co.uk.